We have finished the production of 500 birds per hour compact chicken slot line. So before delivery, I would like to give you a brief introduction. So look at the compact slot line. It can be unloaded into a 40-feet container. Okay. So it is free installation. It means before the shipment, we will install everything, all the equipment, all the machineries, and test before delivery. Okay, follow me, please. So here we just hand the chicken here, then the chicken will go inside. This is the water bath standing machine. Of course, if you want halal slot way, so just remove the water bath standing machine and kill the chicken by hand. So here, just kill the machine and bloodletting or bleeding. So after bleeding or bloodletting, the chicken will go inside the scalding tank. So there are two ways to heat the water. The first one is gas generation. The other one is electric heating. Okay, this is an electric control box. After scalding, the chicken will go inside. The chicken will go inside the diffusory machine or blending machine. Okay, so here is chicken head puller. So here is for the evisceration. It means the workers will take out the chicken offals out, then hand the carcass and the chicken offals or viscera out. You can use a tank or cart to receive the offals here. Okay? So chicken carcass will go automatically. So this is a chicken feet cutting machine. It is an automatic cutting machine. So the chicken feet will down automatically. You can use a cart or tank to receive the chicken feet here. Then the chicken carcass will down here. You can use tank or cart to receive the chicken carcass. Of course, the chicken carcass can be transferred to the market or to the chiller.